Welcome to section 13 of KMF New Puzzle 170. Here is our first question. Quantity A, there is an integer, and if the integer is divided by 4, what will be the remainder? Similarly, quantity B asks for another remainder when an integer is divided by 4. Now, we do not need to divide the whole integer, but we can take only the last two-digit number and divide it by 4, and then we can check the remainder. Let's see. So if 76 is divided by 4, we get the result 19 and the remainder is 0. So the integer provided in quantity A is completely divisible by 4. Now let's see what is the remainder for quantity B. The last two-digit number is 94. So 94 divided by 4 equal to 23.5. So 23 multiplied by 4 equal to 92, and the remainder will be 94 minus 92 equal to 2. In this case, B is greater than A. So answer will be option B. What is the remainder when an integer that is given as square form is divided by 20? Just like the first one, we'll take only the last two-digit number. So now 6 square is 36, and 36 divided by 20 equal to 1.8. So 20 multiplied by 1 equal to 20, 36 minus 20 equal to 16. So the remainder is 16. The number 24 has the property that it is divisible by its unit digit 4. Okay. How many of the integers between 10 and 70 are divisible by their respective unit digits? So 24 and its unit digit is 4. So 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. It is completely divisible. Similarly, how many integers are there between 10 and 70 that these numbers are divisible by the unit digit? I don't have any shortcut trick for that. We can list those numbers and can check whether these integers are divisible by the unit digit. So what we can do is that we can take serially the first integers, for example 11, 21, 31, rather than going by 11, 12, 13, 14, right? So in this way we can work better in the short time. Let's see. 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. All of these 6 integers are divisible by their unit digit, that is 1. So we get 6 integers here. Similarly, for the second series, that is 12, 22, 32, all of these numbers will be divisible by their unit digit, that is 2, and we got another 6 numbers. So in this way, we can go up to 48. Now, just add these numbers, that is 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, and 1. We got 26 integers are there between 10 and 70, and those are divisible by their respective unit digits. So our answer is 26. So n is an integer greater than 10. The sum of the reciprocals of the first two n positive integers, and quantity B asks for one more than the sum of the reciprocals of the first n positive integers. Okay, there are two ways. Either we can use numbers and can test for first few integers, or we can use conceptual understanding, right? So I have used some numbers. Now the condition is n is an integer greater than 10. Suppose n is 11. Sorry, it will be actually n is 11. It will be equal to, okay, n equal to 11. Now for quantity b, we get n1 equal to 11 and n2 equal to 12. Now take the reciprocal of the first 10 positive integers. We have taken two positive integers, 1 by 11 plus 1 by 12, and then have added 1 with that. We get the result 1.17. Now in case of b, we need to take first 20 positive integers. So n1 is 11 and n2 is 12 multiplied by 2. So 1 by 22 plus 1 by 24. Just by seeing the reciprocals, we can see that quantity b is greater in this case. Welcome to section 13 of KMF New Puzzle 170. A dealer's gross profit on the sale of a car is defined as the selling price of the car minus its cost to the dealer. A car dealer sold N cars for S dollars each. If the dealer's total gross profit was P dollars, what was the dealer's average arithmetic mean cost per car in dollars? So there is a given relationship, that is gross profit equal to selling price minus cost to the dealer. So you can write it as P equal to S minus C. So P is profit, S is selling price, and C is the cost to the dealer. Now set the equation according to the question. A car dealer sold N cars for S dollars each. So each car is N dollars. So N cars is NS dollars, right? So profit will be P equal to NS minus C. Just rearrange the letters. So C equal to NS minus P. That is the cost. And we need to find out the average cost per car. So divide the equation by n, that is the per car. So C by n equal to n as divided by n. So n in the numerator and denominator is cross out. So we get the s minus p divided by n. So our answer will be option B, s minus p by n. Let us move to the next question. The repeating decimal 1.AV, where A and B are different digits. So those digits are repeating. Suppose A is 1, suppose A is 2 and B is 3. So digits are different and those are repeating. 1.232323. Okay, so is equivalent to the fraction n by d. So we need to convert it into fraction rather than keeping it in decimals, where n and d are positive integers whose greatest common factor is 1. Okay, so greatest common factor of n and d must be 1. So what is the greatest possible value of n plus d? At first, let us do some work with 1.AV var. What can I do? Set an equation. 1.AV var equal to n by d divided by b, because in the question get the relationship that 1.AV var is equivalent to the fraction n by d. So we have set it out. Now 1 plus, so 1 is a whole number and we get the decimal later. So 1 plus 0.AV var equal to 1 plus AV divided by 99, because we get the repeating numbers if our denominator is 99 or 999, etc. Okay, as there are 2 digits after the decimal, we have set it out for 99. Now, the next line, we get 99 plus AV divided by 99. Now, what will be AV? What could be the greatest number for AV? If AV is 99, then the numerator is divisible by 99. But the condition is the greatest common factor between n and d must be 1. So now just get a number that is below 99. Say it is 98. Now you will get the common factor 1. Okay. You can read out the sentences. That is n equal to 99 plus AV and d equal to 99. If we want the largest prime factors of 99 plus AV and 99 to be 1 and n plus d to be the largest, then AV can be as large as 98. So 99 plus 98, I got 197 divided by 99. Now add n and d. N is 197 and d is 99. So 197 plus 99 equal to 296. That is option A. Let us move to the next question. Quantity A. The number of tens equal to 1.4. How many tens are there? 14 or 4? Keep 1 as a whole number, so 4 by 10, we have 4 tenths. And quantity B, the number of hundreds equal to 1.3. So hundreds. Okay, 1 is a whole number, you get 3, and you need hundreds, so 30 divided by 100. So you get 4 and 30. Quantity B is greater. Or you can take it as 14 and 130. In both cases, quantity B is greater. So answer is option B. If A less than if A less than B, which of the following must be true? So we are given 5 options: absolute value A less than absolute value B, A less than absolute value AV, and etc. Now notice, we don't know whether A and B are positive or negative. So in this case, you can take some numbers and test for different signs. So the first step is take some values and second step is do option test. Now consider a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Now do the option test. So absolute value a is 2 less than absolute value b, that is 3. Okay, a is correct. Now a, that is 2, is less than absolute value ab, that is 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 2 less than absolute value 6. Yes, that's also correct. In this way you can test other three options and you'll get for this value a, b, c, d is correct option. Okay, for only these values, right? Now take some other numbers with different sign. So we have taken 3 equal to minus a equal to minus 3 and b equal to minus 2. So for these values we get b, c, d, e as the correct answer. Now notice for the first case a is correct, but for the second case a is not correct. For the second case, option E is correct, but for the first case E is not correct. We get the common option, that is B, C and D. So our answer will be only B, C and D. Okay, let us move to the last question. At a certain high school, 90% of seniors who take physics also take calculus and 60% of seniors who take calculus also take physics. If 30% of seniors at the school take physics, what percent of seniors take calculus? Okay, this is a tricky math. You can use Venn diagram and may not use Venn diagram as well. You do not need to actually. So you can set 90% of seniors who can take physics also take calculus equal to 60% of seniors who take calculus and also take physics. Or else you can multiply 90% of seniors who take physics and 30% of seniors at the school who takes physics. Okay, let's do it. So we got 0.27 seniors who takes physics. Now set it out equal to 60% of seniors who take calculus also takes physics. So 0.6 as it's 60%, so 60 divided by 100, so 0.6 C, that is of calculus, equal to 0.27 SP, that is senior who take physics. Now we need to find out what percent of seniors take calculus. So C, that is calculus, equal to 0.27 divided by 0.6. So we get 0.45. We need to express it in percentage. So we get 45% of seniors who took calculus. Okay, that's all for KMF New Puzzle 170. If you have any questions on maths that is not given in the GRE playlist, please let me know in the comment so that I can upload those. However, there are other sections in New Puzzle 170, but those are similar to old Puzzle 170 as well. So if there are extra maths, please let me know.